friends, welcome to Meghna Study Career. Let us start with July 7th current affairs. Firstly, India has launched its indigenous developed social media app with similar features like those of Facebook, WhatsApp. What is the name of the app? It is Elements. The Honorable Vice President of India, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu, launched an indigenous social media app, Elements, on 5th July 2020 through video conferencing. Element is a first made in India social media super app developed by Bangalore-based software company Sumeru Software Solution Private Limited in close competition with similar platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. India has more than 500 million social media users, but most of these social media platforms are owned by companies outside India, which creates doubts regarding the privacy of data and data ownership. The initiative is a step forward towards becoming Atmanirbhar Bharat and also boosting the economy of the country. Next, India's largest COVID 19 hospital has been launched in Delhi with 10,000 bed facilities. The hospital has been named after which leader? He was Sardar Vallabhai Patel. It was inaugurated by Lieutenant Governor of Delhi Anil Baijal in New Delhi on 5th July 2020. The infrastructure for the 10,000 beds facility was created in a record time of 10 days. The hospital will be operated by medical team of doctors, nurses and support staff from Armed Forces Medical Services. The facility has 250 ICU beds and the capacity to house and treat 10,000 coronavirus patients at the same time. Apart from this, DRDO has decided to name all the different wards of new Sardar Vallabhai Patel COVID 19 hospital in Delhi after the Indian Army troops who lost their lives in the Galwan Valley clash last month. Next, LEAD is an online learning portal launched by the government of which state to provide study material to the students of class 1 to 12. It is Delhi. Through the LEAD portal, students would easily be able to access study materials, textbooks, and course content as per the syllabus of CBSE, NCERTs, and Delhi government curriculum online. It will include digital QR coded textbooks, explanatory videos, practice questions, and evaluation. The LEAD portal has been developed by the State Council of Educational Research and Training. The Delhi government will connect this portal with the Ministry of Human Resource Development's online portal Diksha for teaching and training material. Next, CBSE has partnered with which company to launch free and comprehensive training program for the teachers and students? It is with Facebook. The first phase of the training program is scheduled from August 2020 to November 2020. The registration process for the first phase of the training program will be held from 6th to 20th of July 2020. Schools have to online nominate their teachers and students for the training programs. The participants will also receive a joint e-certificate from CBSE and Facebook on successful completion of the course. Next, It's Between You campaign has been launched by which company to promote its brand? It is WhatsApp. Facebook owned messaging platform WhatsApp has launched its brand campaign titled It's Between You in India on 4th July 2020. Next, the government of India has fixed the contract term of sports coaches in the country for how many years? It is for 4 years. The Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Sri Kiren Rijiju, has announced the foreign and Indian coaches who are training Indian athletes will now have a 4 years contract in alignment with Olympic cycle. Next, PM Narendra Modi to inaugurate Asia's largest solar plant on 10th July through video conferencing. This was informed on 5th July 2020 by Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The entire cost of solar power project is worth around rupees 4,000 crores. 5 MOUs signed under the High Impact Community Development Project program between India and Afghanistan for developing educational infrastructure. High Impact Community Development Project was signed in the year 2005, under which the Government of India has committed to provide financial support to more than 550 high impact community development projects across Afghanistan. The financial support extended under High Impact Community Development Program was of United States dollars 200 million. To date, under the support of the program, 587 high impact community development program have been completed across various provinces of Afghanistan. Next, who inaugurated mission Vriksharopan 2020. It was inaugurated by Yogi Adityanath. He is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. The state government of Uttar Pradesh has set a target to plant more than 25 crores sampling across the state. Next, which state government has started a social media campaign Intazar Aapka, meaning waiting for you? It was started by Madhya Pradesh. The campaign will be conducted by describing the characteristics of the tourism destination in Madhya Pradesh through photographs and videos. Next, as per the 2020 to 2021 World Bank country classification based on income level, Nepal's economy has moved to a higher category to become a lower middle income economy, while Sri Lanka economy has moved to a lower category to become a lower middle income economy. Every year, the World Bank classifies countries into four income groups: low, lower middle, upper middle, high income. The classification of the economics of the country across the world is updated on the 1st of July every year by World Bank. The classification of a country is done by using the Atlas method by the World Bank. World Bank is using the Atlas method since 1993 to estimate the size of an economy. Under the Atlas method, gross national income of a country is converted into the current United States dollars. As per the 2020 classification, India remains a lower middle income country. Next, who has been awarded the Commonwealth Short Story Prize 2020? Kritika Pandey. How long has World Allergy Week been observed recently? 4th July 2020. Theme is Allergy Care Does Not Stop with COVID-19. Next, which year India has claimed to host Asian Cup Football? 2027. Next, which state government has launched Balaram Yojana for landless farmers? It was launched by Odisha. The landless farmers in the state under which loans will be provided, around 7 lakhs landless farmers or sharecroppers in the state. The scheme was launched with the object to provide financial support to the landless farmers in the state who are facing hardships due to the impact of national-wide lockdown against the COVID-19 pandemic. Next, which state government has become first state in India to have LPG gas connection in every household? It is Himachal Pradesh. All households in the state of Himachal Pradesh have access to LPG gas connection, making Himachal Pradesh the first state in the country to achieve the goal set by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the launch of Ujjwala Yojana for providing a cooking gas connection to every household in the country. This was announced on 6th July 2020 by the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur. That's all for today's current affairs. Hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more latest job updates and current affairs. Jai Hind.